Hey there, foodies and appetizer enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Asian cuisine and exploring a mouth-watering treat that's loved by many: Crab Rangoon. You might think you know all about this crispy and creamy delight, but stick around, because we've got 7 lesser-known facts that will add a new layer of appreciation to your next order. Not actually from Asia? Let's start with a curveball. Despite its association with Asian cuisine, Crab Rangoon isn't originally from Asia. It's believed to have originated in the United States, particularly in early 20th century Polynesian-style restaurants. A fusion creation that captured the taste buds of many. The mystery of the name. Now, have you ever wondered about the peculiar name, Crab Rangoon? The origins of the name remain a bit of a mystery. Rangoon refers to the former capital of Burma, now Yangon, Myanmar, but the connection between the dish and the city's cuisine isn't entirely clear. The filling blend. The heart of Crab Rangoon lies in its creamy and flavorful filling. While cream cheese and crab meat are staples, some variations include additional ingredients like garlic, green onions, and even Worcestershire sauce. It's this blend that creates the irresistible bite we all crave. The perfect fold. Ever wondered how those perfectly folded parcels are made? Crab Rangoon wrappers are folded in various shapes, often resembling pouches or triangles. Achieving that crispy yet delicate texture involves a balance of frying techniques and ideal wrapper-to-filling ratios. Sauce pairings. Now, let's talk about dipping. While Crab Rangoon is delightful on its own, it's elevated to another level with the right sauce. Sweet and sour sauce, plum sauce, or even soy sauce with a dash of chili can complement the creamy filling and add a burst of flavor. Modern variations. As time marches on, creative chefs have reimagined Crab Rangoon with modern twists. Some experiment with alternative fillings, such as shrimp, lobster, or even vegetarian options. These variations embrace the essence of fusion cuisine, marrying traditional flavors with contemporary innovation. A global craving. From the United States to international shores, Crab Rangoon's popularity has transcended borders. It has become a staple not only in Asian restaurants but also at parties, gatherings, and even food trucks, proving its universal appeal. Cultural crossroads. Crab Rangoon's journey takes us through cultural crossroads. While it may not have originated in Asia, its popularity has been embraced by many Asian American communities. This blend of culinary traditions reflects the ever-evolving nature of food and how it adapts to new environments. There isn't a single, correct, way to fold Crab Rangoon wrappers. Chefs and home cooks alike experiment with various techniques, resulting in diverse shapes that contribute to both aesthetics and crunch factor. Culinary evolution. A fascinating aspect of Crab Rangoon is its culinary evolution. Early renditions might have varied from the version we know today. As chefs and food enthusiasts reinterpret recipes, the dish continues to evolve, showcasing the dynamic nature of culinary creativity. Beyond the crab. Crab Rangoon's versatility doesn't stop at crab meat. Some chefs experiment with flavors by incorporating ingredients like minced chicken, spiced pork, or even vegetarian options like tofu. This flexibility speaks to the dish's capacity for adaptation and innovation. Inspired snacking. Whether at cocktail parties, family gatherings, or a solo indulgence, Crab Rangoon has a unique knack for inspiring social connections. The act of sharing these crispy treasures often leads to conversations, laughter, and a shared love for good food. DIY delight. How about rolling up your sleeves and trying your hand at making Crab Rangoon from scratch? It's a fun and rewarding culinary project that lets you customize the filling and experiment with different flavors. Plus, the satisfaction of biting into your homemade creation is truly unbeatable. And there you have it, folks, 7 intriguing facts about Crab Rangoon that peel back the layers of its delicious story. The next time you savor these crispy, creamy morsels, remember the fusion of flavors and cultures that make them truly special. If you found these facts as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with fellow food explorers. Until next time, keep savoring the world one bite at a time.